Hi guys, it's Lynn with Soft Squares. I have the Sew Sampler box for May. Let's see what's in there. Alright, so let's check this out. I've actually already been in this box and made a video, but it didn't happen. So we're gonna do this again. But I was so excited. This is Make Believe by, now Sew Sampler is put out by the Fat Quarter Shop. I'll put the link below so you can get into the box if it's something you're interested in. But what I like is they put this little card in here. It tells you everything that's in the box, as well as its retail value. So the first thing I see is we have some fabric by Tula Pink, which I'm just gonna set aside, and we're gonna look at that in just a minute. Don't go anywhere. And the retail value for that is $21.98, and it looks like a 6-piece Fat Quarter bundle. It is called This Beauty is a Beast. All right, and then the next thing in here I see is called Sticky Finger Multi-Tool. Now I'm not gonna open this because this would be a good thing for me to maybe give away if I decide to not keep it. But this is what it is. It says you won't mind having these sticky fingers about. The Sticky Finger Multi-Tool is versatile, multitasking marvel from Bucklebee. So one end of it has a rubber end like this, the other end's a point, so it's like a stiletto, but the rubber end will help to clean and kind of grab lint and threads as you're trying to clean off your surface. So that is what that is, and that is the value of $6.25. Okay, now the next thing we have here is 45mm rotor by Famore. I've not heard of this brand. 45mm rotary blades are always welcome, and there's 2 of them in here in their case. High grade Japanese steel. $10.74 for those. And then the next item is something I've never seen before, but it is so cute. It's called the Green Sew Daisy, and this is what it is. Whoops. It is 2 little caps with a big opening and a small opening, and they've shown you how to use it. Basically, it is so you can use your own spool of thread as a needle holder. So you'll put one on the bottom of the spool and one on the top, and then you have an opening to store things inside like needles. Really good for when you need to keep track of them, keep them with a project, or if you're traveling. That's really cute, and that's by Laundry Basket Quilts. It's called this Sew Daisy. That is $6.24 value. We also get the Bliss Quilt Along by Fig Tree and Company. And this is block number 2. And you can actually see the block better on here. But this is, let's see here. It's the Bliss Quilt Along for Fat Quarter Shop. And I will probably try to make this quilt block and do another video on it. I'm gonna start doing those types of videos. So let's wait and see how that turns out. But that's that. Anyway, the value of this is $4.95. And I believe we're to the last thing. Oh, nope, the pattern. So the pattern is called Winding Path Quilt Pattern. They've used the Tula Pink fabrics in there. It's so cute. It's a small quilt, so it's 42.5 by 42.5. It could be wall hanging or a baby quilt, but it's nice and colorful. Here's the general layout for that. And all you need is 1 yard of accent fabric, 3/4 yard of accent fabric 2, and then you need your binding, which is a 1/2 yard, and then they give you this fabric. So speaking of, let's look at that. And by the way, the retail value of this pattern is $9.98. I've not seen this line before, but you can tell it's Tula right away, in addition to it saying Free Spirit, and it says in the little book. But it is bright. These are definitely her colors. And if you haven't figured this out, her lines all integrate with each other. She uses the same colors or complementary colors, so you can do things with each other. All right, so let's look at this first one. Again, these are fat quarters, and they seem to have a direction. I'll just open this up. And this is a deer. And the next one has little squirrels in it. This is a really pretty line. I like this one. I'll admit sometimes her stuff is really out there, and that's what's unique about her, but sometimes it's just not something I would do or use, but I love this. And these look like raccoons. Like he's hanging onto an apple core and a garbage can. What else is there? I guess that's it in the damask print. Cute. All right, now the next one, I'm thinking this is like a weasel or a rat or a mouse, some little varmint, but he's hanging in the flowers. And then we get this last one. Sorry, it's not the last one, there's more. This is butterflies. And I don't know if you can see the whole thing, but it is rainbow gradient. All right. One more. This is a really pretty green and teal floral print. Again, it's called Tiny Beasts by Tula Pink. So these are pretty. So there's the fabric. Here's the pattern. Here's our little note saying what is in there. We have our sticky finger. We have the rotary blades. We have the little gadget to make your spool of thread into a needle holder. We have the Quilt Along block of the month. And the link for all this will be below. Check this out. Let me know what you think. And also check my other videos out on what I have opened up from Fat Quarter Shop. There's a couple other boxes and things other than just monthly subscriptions that I have opened and videoed. Okay, that's it, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this line of fabric. I am really excited about this fabric. Can't wait to start using it. All right, so stick around. I will also be doing this block so long. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. And my camera turned while I was talking because it's not screwed on very tight.